In this video, I am going to tell you a comprehensive plan to make improvements in your financial wellness. This is a series of this will be a series of multiple videos. In the first video of such this kind, I am going to list 30 different paths, 30 different steps which can help in improving your financial wellness. But before the start of the video, I am going to announce a disclaimer here that these 30 steps are not the guarantee of the financial wellness. These are the guidelines which are probably going to help in your financial wellness. So in this first video, let's list 30 different steps, and in the coming videos I am going to discuss these 30 steps in detail with actionable plan. So don't miss out these videos. So let's write the first point, which is take the pledge. Take the pledge to take financial responsibility. Take the pledge to change yourself to achieve the financial stability. Second step is assess your current financial situation. Okay. Number 3 is clearing out financial clutter, the waste of finance papers, unnecessary documents, etc. I once again tell you that I am going to discuss in detail each of these 30 steps in coming videos. Number 4 is set yourself up for success. Number 5 is get copies of your credit reports. Number 6, clean up your credit reports. Number 7, make your money count. Number 8 is identify your starting point. Ninth step will be do your do you pass the debt test? This will be a question which you will need to answer. The ninth step, the 10th step will be set your priorities. Probably these will be the financial priorities. 11th step will be set smart financial goals. Number 12 will be set short mid and long term goals, and they might be financial goals. Number 13, paying down debt is a smart financial move. So you need to pay off your debts as early as possible. Number 14, expect the unexpected. Number 15, securing your financial future. You have to take some steps to secure your financial future. Number 16 step will be make a commitment. What will that be a commitment? We will discuss in the coming videos. Number 17 is save for your goals. Saving is very important. Saving money is very important. Number 18 will be where does all the money go? You need to track that. Where does all your money go? Number 19, identify and document your fixed monthly expenses. Number 20 will be identify and plan for periodics. What are these? We will discuss in the coming videos. As I already told you, 21 step will be document your spending. Now what is the difference between the 19 number point, identify and document your fixed monthly expenses, and the 21st point, document your spending? We will explore in the coming videos. But 22 point is, which is very important, identify ways to reduce spending. This is very important step. Now 23, it is also equally important, save money on groceries. Twenty-fourth point will be, you must share a tip for change in your life. Number 25, document your desired spending. On the 21st point says document your spending, which is related to the spending which is already being incurred. This 25th point says that your desired spending, which you want to spend in future. 26th point is protect yourself by forming financial checkups, just like you go to doctor for your physical health. So financial health is also necessary to be checked up. 27th point is you need to understand the cost of credit. 28th point is assemble a financial team. It is very important to have people around you which are in sync with you in your plan for financial wellness. 29th and second last point is appreciate the benefits. The last point, moving forward, so these are the 30 different ways which we will be looking in the coming videos, and try to improve our financial situation.